hail. I wanna visit the garden after the rain, the hail, and the strong wind. They're beautiful here. Good morning, flowers. All right, let's see what's happening. So I put all my propagated plants here, that one, and those. The sun is shining now. The whole day the sun will shine. No more rain. Thank you, Lord. So beautiful, a beautiful day. So we're gonna put our plants is to Mike and Josh are off today. So our plan is to put a fertilizer on the pomelo. Supposed to be last January, but it didn't happen. So nice. It's a good day. The sun gonna shine soon on that area. Look at the birds. Look at them. Rubber tree, I put it here because so that the wind will not turn it down. On this side is not much of the sun, just sunny in the morning, but it's not that strong sun, so I just tied it up here to protect. And look at this. The peace lily is blooming now. Look at that. It's coming. Beautiful. Oh, too many here. Two more here. And then two here. So total of 4 flowers soon. Is there anything here? There is one there. See? Oh, they love the soil I use. So beautiful. So I have total of 5 bloom. Supposed to be 5 flowers to come to bloom soon. Beautiful. All right. I need to take out the tarp because they are already filled up with water. There. So these are my soil. It's also got wet. Maybe the cover turn out, and another plant here. So let's see over here. This soil is better. They are dry, but they are protected. So we're gonna take this out. I hope today we can plant all this dragon fruit. I have 4 varieties. 1, 2, 3, 4. They need to go on the ground. If not today, maybe on spring. Because there are too many lineups. Even the calamansi tree. That calamansi tree I want to put on the ground because I checked I check on the bottom, the roots are coming out. And we'll see what else we can accomplish today. So last Thursday, the gardeners trimmed this opuntia cactus because too many bugs. So anyways, I have one more here, and so the bugs will not come in the garden, and they all this will be safe, the plants here. This jasmine plants is more is yeah. All right, so we're gonna clean this part so the soil will be released and get dried up more. All right, thank you, Josh.
Okay, I'm gonna go start the text.
Thank you.
Just like that, you went shopping.
Be quiet. All right. I tried to spray neem oil underneath of these flowers so there's no bugs. And this is the hydrangea trying to survive the other hydrangea. So Josh and Mike, they put fertilizer over the side, the main base of this pomelo tree, so it would produce fruits. All right, so I'm trying to lift them up by putting the bricks. So just need to clean over here, and that's part of our gardening today here. And this one I put as well some bricks to lift them up. Over there I think I need to trim because they spread out, they widespread, and the bougainvillea is starting to produce flowers now. Look at that. That's the power of trimming, pruning. And tree, the guys did a lot today, so this one may be in the picture. want to put on the ground so it will grow. And I need to clean up more here. Look at this already. Thank you, Josh. So I'm clearing up this garden, moms, taking out this one. So these are all that I got. So just trim it. I'm trimming it by my hand.